My love, do you remember those wonderful days we had here in our countryside? We didn't have to go far to enjoy pure beauty. It was right here underneath our feet. The Serbian soil, the sacred ground our fathers and forefathers defended so we could have a safe place to raise our daughters. They were heroes. The river where the girls went swimming with their cousins. The meadows we ran to every time our neighbor caught us stealing her plums. And that forest where we had our first kiss. This land where you built our house with your bare hands, the home for our family. My hero. You know, my love, they say that people want to put their hands in this ground. Those people want to take what is valuable only for them, the lithium, and we will be left with just the dirt. This dirt, they say, will make our people sick. Our people? Our children? Did you know this, my love? Could this be true? And I know you told me that things would be okay because they said so on TV, but are you really sure we can trust them? We need to know for sure, because knowing is doing the right thing for us, for our family. If it's true what they say, would you promise to protect us? We really need to know we're fine, so our children can keep on playing in these fields. Please, check.